So today we're going to look at the numeracy strand calculating the mean from a set of data. Now to calculate the mean, all we need to do is add up all of the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. So the first thing in this question, where it says the scores on a computer game, and the scores are 16, 22, 23 and 23. What is the mean score? So the first thing to do is to do 16, add 22, add 23, add 23. Now this will be quite tricky to do in our heads, so it's safer and probably easier to use a tower sum to help us. So we have 16, 22, 23, 23. Six add 2 is 8, add 3 is 11, add 3 is 14, 3, 4, carry the 1, 1 add 2 is 3, add 2 is 5, add 2 is 7, and add 1 is 8. So we've worked out that all four of these numbers add up to 84. Now to calculate the mean, all we need to do is 84 divided by how many numbers there are, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different numbers. So it's 84 divided by 4. Again, could be quite tricky to do, so we can use the bus stop method to help us. 4 goes on the outside of the bus stop, and we have 84 on the inside. 4 goes into 8 twice, and no remainders, and 4 goes into 4 once, with no remainders. So our answer to the first question is 21. So the next question, it says that hours spent on homework, and we have an hour and a quarter, 1 hour and 3 quarters, and 3 hours. Work out the mean number of hours spent on homework. This is a little bit trickier because it involves these fractions. But if we add up the whole numbers first, it can make things a little bit easier for us. So we can do 1 add 1 add 3. So 1 add 1 add 3, which is equal to 5. Then if we look at these fractions, well, a quarter add 3 quarters is the same as 1 whole. Because if you think of it, if you split this up, and I have 1 quarter, and then I'm adding another 3 quarters to it, so it's 1 quarter, and it's 1, 2, 3 quarters, and it's clear to see that we actually have 1 extra whole. So then we can do 5, add the 1 extra from the fractions, is equal to 6. So I've added these 3 up, and we've got 6 hours. Now we need to divide by the total number of hours, the number of numbers. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2.